Okay, what we're doing, this is the second real or third real time that I've shot this gun. This is my Christmas present. It's a 357 Rossi stainless steel, and it's so polished it looks like chrome. This is the two bullets that we'll be firing right now. This is a 357 Magnum, and this is the 38 Special. Okay, first I'm gonna fire 357, and we're going to see what that feels like. It's going to have quite a kick. Yes, it does. This gun does have a kick. Alright, I'm going to shoot some 38 specials in this thing now. Okay, here we go. 38 specials. Pretty good. Whole lot less kick in a 357. I love this gun. It's a good piece of work.